Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm not unboxing anything. In fact, this RXA 3080 I unboxed maybe a few weeks ago. Check out its video if you feel like it. What I'm doing is taking this opportunity to share some tips and tricks, because a week doesn't go by that customers don't ask how they can plug their banana plug speaker cables into their new home theatre amplifier. Particularly if they've owned one of these before, they've realised that the new models now come with some protective covers on the back of the binding posts, making it virtually impossible to plug one of these banana plugs in. Well, without damaging the amplifier and other things like that, we've had some people really worried. So I'm going to show you today exactly how to do it. Simply take a basic self-tapping wood screw, one with a nice tight sort of tap to it and a sharp end. It doesn't need to be expensive. Don't go and buy a pack to do it. Find one on the bottom of your toolkit, find one at your neighbour's place, borrow one, whatever it might be. The process is really easy, and it leaves an elegant and clean binding post ready to use. Very straightforward. Take the screw, put it in the hole, give it a good sort of quarter turn, and then once it's sort of got a bit of a bite to it, wiggle, and it will remove the plastic case easily, allowing for that banana plug. So I'll do the other one. Literally put it in firmly, give it a wiggle, and it will remove that cap. And straight away we can use that to plug in the banana plugs that we were going to have problems with earlier. So I'll do that a couple more times. In, quarter turn, wiggle, and they come out cleanly. In, quarter turn, wiggle, comes out cleanly. And again, very straightforward at that point to add your banana plugs. So there we have it. Nice and simple. Use a wood screw, put it in, quarter turn, give it a wiggle, and you'll end up with all of these plastic caps out free and easy. And please hang around for some photographs. I'll show you some close-ups and then you'll know exactly how. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.